Okay, hi guys. Today I have a quick lesson I want to share with you. I'm going to show you how to install the bobbin, okay? When installing your bobbin, make sure that the letter B is shown at top. I showed you how to do this in an earlier video. Once the letter B is on top, that tells you it's the top of the bobbin. Holding your thread like this, you'll come over to the machine, move the little thingamajiggy here to the side, the little clip, remove the bobbin cover, and then you're going to take this and place it in the hole. Once you've done that, you take the thread and you position it where it goes under this little clip right here. Watch the arrow. Polyester thread. Oh, it's so staticky. Okay, we're going to come around and we're going to go around right here. Follow that path. And then you're going to cut it. There's a little knife there. And you cut it. Once you cut it, you go ahead, cover it, pull the latch to the side, and it's installed. That's all there is to it. It's very easy. The hardest part, or the hardest problem you may have, is with the thread being a bit staticky. But once you get it under control, it's very easy after that. Let's just do that one more time just to show you quickly. So here again, the letter B is at top. We're going to drop the bobbin into the bobbin compartment and following the arrow here. Incidentally, there's a diagram here that shows you what you need to do. You're going to bring the thread around the curve, following the arrow, come all the way down, cut it here, cut off the piece, and then you replace the cover, move the little switch to the side and pull it back, and that's that. That's it.